Welcome folks, Technivorous here. This is Cura. Now Cura is a 3D object slicing application. It's used in conjunction with your 3D printer to make almost anything. But how does it work? Stick around and find out. We'll go over each setting one by one, each in 5 minutes or less, and be sure to bookmark this playlist and hit that subscribe button. Please feel free to share, it helps us out a ton. And now without further ado, today on Cura settings in 5 minutes or less, 2021 edition. Technivorous channel is brought to you by these fine Patreon supporters. Check us out on Patreon at patreon.com/technivorous. Alright folks, Technivorous here. Welcome back to another Cura in 5 minutes or less. Today we are going to be specifically discussing PLA settings in the material settings. So we're going to cover the printing temperature and the build plate temperature, and then we're going to jump out of material down to the cooling settings, and we're going to make an adjustment there as well, because those are the three main things that we're going to be changing depending on what type of filament we're going to be using. And I'm also going to make one of these videos for PETG and ABS. So the first thing we need to take note of is our PLA printing temperature. I have mine set to 205. That is pretty standard and works pretty well for most PLAs. I will note, however, when we're talking about printing temperature, to take a look at the individual spool and or box that your printing filament came in and see if there is a recommended or suggested temperature. If there is, I recommend starting at the minimum recommended temperature, and this would be where you place that. It will adjust the rest of these accordingly, and there will probably also be a bed temperature recommendation. In my case, I'm going to stick with 55 degrees for the bed. That generally works pretty well, although in most cases with PLA, you don't really need the bed to be heated at all. This just helps a little bit with my adhesion, and it's not really necessary. However, I tend to leave it on all the time. And then, as I said, we are going to go ahead and jump down to the temperature settings. This is the cooling setting, and this is enable print cooling. We're going to have that on, and we're going to have the fan speed at 100%. So any of the other settings you want to change in here based on the settings that I've discussed and telling you what they do and what they change, you feel free to do that, test things out, try different things. But in our case, we are going to leave just these main three things. Everything else is going to stay the same. So this is the basic PLA profile. Your print temperature is 205, your bed temperature is 55, and your fan is on and at 100%. That's going to be it for this quick video on PLA settings while we're in the material section. We are also going to do the next video on ABS, which will include the settings for printing with that, so stay tuned. Well, that's it guys, that's going to wrap up this video. If you've noticed the shirt, the merch is available. Go ahead and check out the Teespring merch link down below. It won't be available on a channel store until I reach 10,000 subscribers, and so far I am just about to hit 5,000. So it'll be a little while, a couple more months before you see this on the actual channel, but they are available now. I have a couple other designs. Feel free to pop over there and check them out, and know that any purchase through the Teespring site definitely helps to promote our site here and increase the channel's ability to make videos in the future. So we appreciate all your support. Don't forget to check out the Teespring link, check out our Patreon link, leave a like on this video, and hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more coming at you in the coming days.